This is the gold mask trend, okay? So gold...
Gee, how did they come up with that clever name?
Gold as an ingredient is not new to the scene, obviously. Gold has been used for centuries. There's a lot of ancient stories, Cleopatra being one of them, that added shavings of gold to her nighttime ritual to preserve her beauty. So basically, you're going to see loads of this. This has been all over the Instagram. I want to show you Jessica Simpson because she also almost broke the Instagram with this picture because this is really about putting this on. Gold is an interesting ingredient because it's actually anti-inflammatory, for one. It actually helps to reduce inflammation in the skin, beautify, and also acts as a booster to all the other ingredients. It drives them in deeper. So 20 to 40 minutes.
20 to 40
These are
minutes.
sheets. So take a look, Rach. They come like this. This particular one I used on her, on Kathleen, was the full face. So 2 parts plus the neck. It's got all the parts to it. You lay these on in a sheet. You take them out. Now see, there's a lot of extra juice.
There's a lot
in there.
of juice.
But this is the trick. So this is a tip. You save that juice in a cup, and what you do is after you put this on, you put more of all of those really amazing ingredients on top. They're so cool. All right, so see, they slide right off. I'll take it. Don't worry. Oh,
does this feel weird?
How does it feel? Tell her how incredible.
Wow, you're very dewy.
Yeah, it has a really pleasant cooling and chilling sensation, and the aroma is extremely relaxing. I mean, I could take a nap after this. I'm thoroughly relaxed.
You're totally chillaxed, right? So, what is the name brand of this?
Okay, so this one's Nesco Skin.
Nesco
And so this
Skin.
has neck, décolletage, face. It gives you everything. This is a full face. But take a look at, we have another one here that's just the eyes. So you can actually do just gold.
Oh, you can do just babies.
Yeah,
eye babies.
And you know what, Rachel? The reason this is blown up with celebrities, this mask, it will actually leave a little luster to the skin like gold does. And they use it for red carpet events.
She
to
does
give
look
them
very,
right, see that shimmer?
She
Amazing.
does look very shimmery.
Here's the one thing I want to say, because you'll understand this. If you have a metal allergy, I would steer clear, or I always say test
on
a
your
little arm.
Right.
I always say before an event, try it a month out. Don't try it a day out. Okay.